Well, they can get power into anything nowadays, and that is especially true with laptops. And something that needs a lot of power would, of course, be gaming. And when we think of gaming with laptops here on GetConnected, we always like to look out for the MSI models. And this is no exception. This is their Pulse GL76. And I've come to appreciate a lot of the features that are built into it, not only hardware-wise, but the software that they've built into it as well. First off, you can see this thing is a beast. It is a 17.3-inch screen on here. So you are getting a thin bezel, but a lot of real estate for all the PC gaming that you'll be doing. The screen itself here will come in around 144 hertz as far as refresh, so very easy on the eyes when you are playing your favorite games. What I like about this is that all the ports are full size as well. With some of the smaller laptops out there, you know, you're getting all the USB-C ports, but then you're going to have to hook up dongles and things to get like the HDMI and what have you in. This is all full size. So you can see on the side here, I've got a full size HDMI, full gigabit Ethernet in this here. And it comes with the one USB-C port here and also 3 USB-A ports as well. The other 2 here on the other side. What I like about this model as well, it has the latest in Wi-Fi technology. It's got the Wi-Fi 6, so you're going to get high-speed wireless internet when you're out and about or in your home. This also has the full-size gaming keyboard as well. And if you look at the overall design, it's pretty cool. It's got the dragon crest on the back. The model here was actually designed by a renowned 3D artist. His name is Martin Verhoeven, and I think they've done a fantastic job. One thing that MSI does very well is the whole cooling aspect. This has actually got 2 fans built in and 6 heat pipes as well to dissipate any of the heat coming off this when you're getting into the action. As far as the console aspect, this is pretty cool. You can hook up a console controller, like I said, a couple extra monitors, and play some of your favorite console cloud games directly on the unit, like the Xbox stuff. I like the way that you're able to customize your experience here as well. They've got the MSI Center, so you can actually go in and manually control everything from the battery settings to the overall power consumption, even how much graphics power you're getting. And it also has a full auto mode as well. So if you don't have to worry about that, you can just set it on auto and it'll adjust those settings for you automatically. For example, if you're getting low on battery, you can put it in a smart auto battery mode that'll extend the life of the laptop here. And it's also got something that's kind of cool called ambient silent AI, or artificial intelligence. So it can actually measure the ambient noise happening around you to have the best possible sound when you are playing. And as far as power, it's got full power here. It's got the latest Intel Core i7 12th generation processor. They've got a few different options on that. So if you do want to have the best in gaming, definitely always look at the MSI line. I do like this one here just by the sheer size of the screen, so I'm getting that full gaming experience, but also it's got the full power from the Core i7 processor, 12th generation, but also the gaming card in here as well, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 as well. Want to see more gaming laptop videos? Check out our MSI line right here, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to find out when we have more coming out.